The White House is getting in on the Laurel versus Yanny debate. President Donald Trump and Vice President Mike Pence were joined by White House spokesperson Sarah Huckabee Sanders' first daughter Ivanka Trump and other staffers in the viral debate on whether listeners to an audio clip hear Laurel or Yanny. What do you hear? Yanny or Laurel? Pic.twitter.com/JVHHCBMC8I. Chloe Feldman, at @CloCouture, May 15, 2018. Sarah, it's been reported that you hear Laurel. How do you respond? A person asks Sanders. Clearly you're getting your information from CNN because that's fake news. All I hear is Yanny, Sanders replies. Who's Yanny? Pence deadpans. Trump closes out the video with a clip that dates back to his mysterious Twitter post in which he referenced a still undefined word. I hear Kofifi, he said.